So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can manage the time to select the heating area in Induction Hob BOSCH. So, in the first step, turn on your appliance and hold the combi button in 10 seconds for 4 seconds to open the user menu. Let's tap on the combi until you see the C9 on the left side. As you can see, there are the C9, the 0, that means the time is unlimited and you don't have a limited time to select the heating area. You can also click on the plus and now it's turned on and you have 10 seconds to select the heating area until it's turned off automatically. To save the settings, click on the combi button for 4 seconds. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.